All right, well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Paula Peterson on the byproducts of beef and how every part of the cow is used in some way. And now Paula is back with a recipe, and Erin is standing by now with more.
All right, thank you, John. Yes, we are making a dessert for Valentine's Day. It's something the family could do. Husbands could do, wives could do.
Husbands could do.
That's what you want, right? You want your husband to do this. But this looks great.
Yeah, it's really, really simple. I just decided to take brownies, and you can go ahead and I'll let you dump it.
Today?
Yeah, half a can of brownie mix.
Okay.
Water. Oil, just like you would be doing. Nope, I just thought I'd get it out of your way. Just like you're going to make your regular brownies. I did lower a little bit of the oil because of the cherry pie filling.
Okay.
If you were going to do like dried cherries, you might want to do the amount of oil that it calls for on the box.
Oh, okay.
If you like blueberries, you could do blueberries instead. I like cherries.
Raspberries go with chocolate.
Raspberries
too,
would, yep. And so you just mix it in, and your choice of nuts. If you want to go almonds, I like almonds and cherries. It's just my thing. But pecans would work. I would think you could do almonds with like raspberries too.
Oh, sure, yeah,
right?
any of the nuts like that.
Tom says it is missing one key ingredient though. There's no ice cream on it.
Well, you could warm these up and then add the ice cream,
you could warm it up, and that's all it is. You just dump it into the pan and go.
Okay, so just stir it, and I know with brownies or muffins you don't have to over stir.
Right.
Okay.
And then you just pour it into the pan. And because of the cherry pie filling, it takes about an extra 10 minutes.
Is this like an 8x8? Or?
This is an 8x8 pan.
Okay.
And I split it into two just so I don't have to eat that many brownies.
Right.
I realize brownies are a good thing, but there's a certain level that I just don't need that many.
And so this is the finish right here.
And we cut them out with a heart cookie cutter just so you could make it more Valentine's
Very
Day.
fun. Okay, we're going to dish one up. Put it on the plate here. There we go. Oh, and that's what you made at home, right?
Yeah.
So does your husband like these?
Yeah, he actually does, and he's not much of a chocolate guy.
Really?
Yeah, he's not. Yeah.
What's he prefer for desserts if he doesn't like chocolate?
White. He's a white cake guy.
Oh, white cake guy.
White cake guy, and
give this a try. It's really rich.
It's very moist. It's really rich. You really get the cherry taste into it, and it holds really well. It'd be great to throw some in your lunchbox. On your, as you send in your kids to school on Valentine's Day, so when they open it,
with a little greeting of some sort. Yeah. Perfect. All right. Well, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already. If you want to go there and copy it down, give it a try. I think your family will like it. Thank you, Paula.
No worries. Thank you.
All right. Back to you, John.